Hey everybody, here is a 2000s Carrier 38YCC heat pump. It has a Bristol reciprocating compressor. The 2003 1.5 ton. And there's a massive crimp in the suction line. I don't know if it's used, I don't think it is. And here's the Honda. And over here's a couple more. Got a Rheem mini split, which is running. Tag, can't really read it. There's a Goodman heat pump, which I have gotten defrosting in the past. Somebody replaced the capacitor and left the bracket. Here we have some more units, and we've got the church bell going in the background. I've filmed these in the past, however, it's been a while. Starting over here is a 2017 Root Achiever heat pump. These are all heat pumps. Gotten this one defrosting a couple times. 2017, it's a 5-ton 14 seer. Here's a Bryant. This one has an LG scroll compressor. It is a 2015 14 seer 4-ton. And then right here's another one. This one has swept blades and a Copeland scroll compressor. It is a 2015. This one's actually a 5-ton 14 seer heat pump. And there's one on the end here. I've never seen this one run. This one has a Copeland scroll. It is a 2016 14 seer 3-ton. And then if we go down here, there's a mini split. There's a green mini split, which is running. It's quiet. Little 12,000 BTU. It's a heat pump. It's a very small line. It's back. Here's a couple Armstrong units. Concept 10, it's a 10 seer. Identical. And it looks like it has an added on low pressure control. Unless that's part of a low ambient kit. It's a 1999 10 seer 4-ton. Alright, here we have some more units. We got a Goodman RTU and a Heil Century series, or actually this would be a performance series. It's on an LG scroll. This is a newer unit. It replaced a Goodman like, I don't know, a year ago or so. And then this Goodman has been here for quite a while. It's like 10 years. Actually, it's a little older than that. Over here, another Goodman. Seems like every time I see this thing, it ages more and more. I don't think the paint was chipped like that last time. Date is basically gone, but I think it was like a 2008 or so. The building owner was nice enough to start this thing up for me last time I was here. Here's a couple more. This one has a new condenser motor in it. This one has the original motor in it. Single layered coil, to my surprise. Actually, no, I take that back. They're split. That's interesting. It is a 2004 5-ton CLT. I don't know. That might not be a 10 series model. I'm not really sure on these. Here's a Trane in the bushes. XR. I think this is a 14. I'm not going to go back there again. Actually, the data's right here. There's an XR13 from 2010. It's a 5-ton. If I'm seeing that correctly. Alliance scroll compressor. Hey everybody, and here we have some units that I filmed some years back. This is a Carrier, and it is frozen. Looks like it's most likely low on refrigerant. is never a good sign. You know, based on the age of this unit, it probably has a leak in the evaporator. But who knows? I'm not working on it. Here's a video. It looks like a 2005. I can kind of see it. 3 or 5. And it looks like can't really see, maybe a 5-ton. It's very hard to read. There's a smaller version of it. It has a reset, it's Bristol. Whereas this one looks like it has a Millennium or a Carlisle scroll. And this one, it's faded as well. Very hard to read. It's a 2005. Yeah, that's a 5. And then the tonnage, it's a 3-ton. You can kind of make it out. Just barely. That's not the original compressor. There's a Goodman. I placed a Carrier quite like it. It's got a cope and scroll. And it has vines growing in it. It is a 2017 3-ton. Alright. I got this one defrosting back in 2018, I believe it was. Hard to believe that was already 5 years ago. Alright. Here's a couple air conditioners. Got a Trane XE 1000 and a Carrier Comfort Series. Looks like an early 2010s. Got the logo. It is a 2012 2.5-ton 13 seer. Here's a Lennox Barrett. Heil Performance Series and a Trane XE. Has a Climatuff recip. The data. It's a 2002 2.5-ton. Hopefully the camera picked that up. Unexpected startup. It sounds like a scroll. It's a 1997 5-ton 38 CKB. It's replaced a Trane Odyssey. $2020. Couple more right here. Another Trane XE. This one's a 2000 5-ton. And then there's a new Trane right here. It's an XR. LG scroll compressor. Actually, it's branded as a Trane, but that is an LG. It's a 2023 14 seer 3-ton. It's unfortunate they got rid of the Climatuffs. That's what made Trane, well, Trane. But that's not all, because down here we have here's a Trane XE. It is a 2000, it's a heat pump, 3.5-ton. There's a newer Rheem. Just placed another Trane Odyssey. Looks like a mid-late 2010s. And it is a 2021 actually. Then we use another 90s Carrier. CKB. It is a 1997 5-ton 38 CKB. This Carrier over here started up. then on the corner, right around this corner is a couple more units I almost forgot. Here they are, and that looks incredibly good for being as old as it is. It's actually, this thing's definitely been waxed. There's no way it's been, that's a different sight to see. A unit that's actually been taken care of. That's either been waxed or something, because it's a rough finish. Here's an XE. I filmed this thing when it was brand new in early 2018. Actually, I think it was on New Year's of 2018 that I posted the video of this unit when it was just installed. But it looks like they've been taking good care of it. They actually took out this bush that was next to it. It's a 14 SEER 5-ton from 2017. And here is a 2000 Trane XE 1000 3-ton 10 SEER. This is a scroll compressor, Alliance. It's refreshing to see a unit actually taken care of to this extent. I thought I was the only one that went out of their way to polish up their units. It's a 2011 5-ton 13 SEER. And it has a scroll, obviously, but what brand? Can't really tell, it's too dark. 4 blades, and it being dark is not helping. Alright, how to wrap this one up. See you guys in the next one.